Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate all the new subscribers and the comments and everything, but we are running behind because we are going to be heading to Sturgis on August 7th, and we haven't even started packing. This is the weekend before that we actually have to leave. And we are going to be limited on luggage space. But I have been using KEMI MOTO luggage bags for a long time. I think ever since I had my 2018 Road Glide, I bought a pair of KEMI MOTO luggage bags, and I'm actually missing one. I can't remember where it is. We've looked everywhere. The last time I think we actually used them was when we went to the K River camp for our honeymoon. So if you have never used these bags, probably got to give them a try. I just ordered a set off the Amazons, and they're like 50 bucks. So you can pack quite a bit of clothes in these, but I have an unboxing of another bag because somebody wants to take a little more clothes than usual. So, and on our trip to the K River camp, we actually used a travel pack of vacuum bags for Kim's clothes, and they worked out really good. And she did learn a little bit about packing clothes, and the clothes that she packed, that she really didn't need them all. So I have one luggage bag, which like I said, I do have a set coming. I also have a trunk bag, luggage bag. And let me show you the unboxing of the other bag that we got. All right, everybody, this is the box that came in. I have not opened it up. I have not looked at the bag. So if you use a utility knife, don't open it all the way. And you're supposed to cut away from the sausage. Am I right? Wow, this is nice. All right. We got an actual tour pack bag for the luggage rack, made by KEMI MOTO. And my gosh, it's bigger than what I thought. Keep the plastic away from the kids and the dogs. Okay, this is actually bigger than what I thought. It's nice. So it has a pocket in the front, has a pocket on top. Looks like you could probably put some sunglasses and other stuff in there. It's really soft on this one. And there's another pocket on the back. And there's pockets on the sides. And it actually has handles, you know. And then here's the inside of the bag. And comes with a rain fly. Keep that away from the dogs and the kids. And then of course it comes with installation tips. And a shoulder strap. I don't think we're going to need a shoulder strap. And I believe it actually expands. No, it does not expand. I don't believe it does. Well, wait a minute. I think it does expand. I think you could get another inch or two of space. Yes, the capacity can be expanded. That's one thing that turned me on about this bag because, yeah, we might need a little extra capacity. And it comes with the straps to strap it down. And I don't know where they're at. They gotta be in here somewhere. So let me know in the comments if you've actually used one of these bags. Oh, I know how it goes on. Yeah. You undo these straps here. You unclip them, and then you can expand it, bring it down around your luggage rack. We'll show you that here in just a second. So yeah, you take these straps, you strap them down on each side to secure it. I'm not going to do the whole other side. So yeah. You undo this zipper, I believe. Yes, you can expand it, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now. And there it is. It expands that much. That's probably a good, what, 2 to 3 inches of more space. We've got Bob and Tam's Excellent Adventures on the TV going out here on YouTube. If you guys don't follow them, give them a follow because they do a lot of great updates on what's going on at Sturgis. They start, I think, a month ahead of the rally. So, yeah, give them a follow if you don't follow them. But we're going to get the bike up on the lift table and do a full service. Leave me a comment down below if you use KEMI MOTO luggage bags, because we're going to be limited on space, and somebody's going to want to take all their clothes with them. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Give the videos a thumbs up, please. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you later. Say hi to a stranger and thank a veteran. Be kind to each other. Say bye.